This is what's going on at 6:30 a.m.
Sitting on the bottom of a stack.
Figure they would be a line for
right
these.
on top.
That's interesting.
No. See, they line up for the bigger boxes.
I'll just take it all. It don't matter. I'm not biased. $7.21. Going into the second store, seeing what's the deal on these red rattlers and maybe some stingers. You said there was no 22?
No.
None at all? What's that over there in that case? In the Winchester right here to the left. That small one. I believe that's 22.
I've been golf 2 weeks. Back again.
Gotta get back into it, I see. All right, scored some snakes and some stingers over at the second Walmart. Thought I'd swing over to Academy before I head into work. Hey, good morning everybody. Here's my scores for June 29, 2015. Made 2 stops at 2 different Walmarts and then went over to Academy this morning. At one Walmart, first one this morning, picked up 3 of these high dollar hyper velocity 100 round red rattlers. They were coming in at $9.47. Was there right around $6.15, $6.30. No line at this store. Nobody wants to pay that ridiculous price for it. But I went ahead and picked up 3. Went over to the other Walmarts, picked up 2 just to fill the sleeve, so I get a full sleeve there, and 1 pack of the stingers. Then headed over to Academy this morning. They had the Winchester Westerns. They did raise their prices on those, looks like $5. They came in at $27.99. No patience, man, doing it again. Appreciate you guys taking a look. Have a good one.